Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new TNT Games video or TNT Coins video, because this is a new channel that I just created for all of my people who want to get extra Sweatcoins and Sweatcoin hacks. So first of all, for those of you who do not know what Sweatcoin is, it's a app where you can use steps to turn into real prizes. For example, on here under the shop page, you can get Apple AirPods, all of this stuff for a digital currency called Sweatcoins. So as you can see, you can also donate to good causes, stuff like that. But basically, everybody wants to get Sweatcoins. So I'm going to teach you a quick way to do it, quick, legit hack, you can almost call it, to get free Sweatcoins. As you can see, I do have a lot of Sweatcoins. And what I do is anybody who uses my invite code, I then send them 50 Sweatcoins a day. So that's what I do to help out the community and the way to give back, because I get Sweatcoins when you guys use my referral code. So I just basically just send them back to you. So all you have to do to become a part of this is, first of all, subscribe to TNT Games, like this video, and then use the referral code in the description below. And then once you use that code and sign up using my code, I will send you 50 Sweatcoins a day. So for example, I'm going to pick one of my, I actually have a lot of followers on here, random follower. Let's do this TNT guy because he looks like a fan. So I'm going to send him, I'll send him 50 Sweatcoins. Actually, I'll be generous. I'll send him 100 Sweatcoins and say, thanks for being an awesome subscriber. So I just sent 100 Sweatcoins to that guy. If you guys do also want to receive 100 Sweatcoins, all you have to do is use my referral code and subscribe and like. Thanks guys for watching. If you want more content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications. Thanks guys.